The Easter break contains week 3 and 4, and at this point I'm already halfway through my project according to my time plan. I should have already started looking into narrative, storyboarding, typefaces, colour schemes and experimentations during this 4th week. However, I've still been finishing up my research and I've only just started to consider different typefaces and colour schemes that I could use. However, as I'm already a week behind, to counter this issue I might have to cut down on some parts of work and mix experimentations in with my development, and focus on my storyboarding and plot ideas. So by next Friday I'll have some form of idea that I can present and a set plan that I can go with, as after that it'll be 3 weeks left of the project until deadline. And due to having to get all my work printed and bound together, I'm not sure how much time that's going to take, so I'm going to have to email the company that I'm planning to use and also get a quote for the pricing, just so this way I can ensure that I have everything done in time for handing. I'll need to be stricter on my time management to ensure that I'm able to produce these outcomes as well. I was able to get a handful of primary research which will come in handy for development and concept ideas, as I can refer to the images for background ideas and references. During this time I was able to learn more about the Icelandic culture and their humour, as well as get a better understanding for the native folklore. I was able to acquire a folklore book out there what contains a handful of their stories, which I'll be using as ideas and plots, as well as see a current exhibition over there which will help me think about how different ways I can present my work. During these weeks I'm unable to do another critique due to different time schedules with people, so once back at college I will do another one with my peers to make up for this. This will benefit me as I'm able to see where people are with their current projects and get different ideas off them. I will also finish my research by conducting a theory from an artist that I've currently looked at. Next week I'll be brainstorming different plot ideas and if I want to expand on an existing story or construct my own from scratch. Once I've decided on a plot I will think more about my target audience and if the story is suitable, or if I'll have to change either the story or my target audience. However, from the stories that I have read, they are quite dark as they are, and from where the Icelandic culture's humour is quite dark, I think it might be okay for younger readers. However, I'll have to research more into it and think about more about my idea and if it is really suitable overall, as I don't really think it would be necessary to change my audience. However, depending how dark the plot goes and how the story goes, it might have to be considered into this. Next week I'll also be starting to set up a storyboard and different ways that I can present my story and different ways I can tell it, or different colour schemes and materials that I can use.